In this video, we'll be managing our billing profile in our Shopify store. From the home page, go down and select Settings in the bottom left. Select Plan. In your plan, you have the ability to view your card on file. Here, you can select Update, and that will take you to the billing page. Within the billing page, you have your current billing cycle, your past bills, subscriptions, which are any items that you're billed on a recurring basis, whether that's your Shopify plan or third-party integrations that you pay for, and statement of charges, where you can review summary of your Shopify charges within the last 90 days. For our current billing cycle, we are running from April 5th to May 5th at the time of this video, and we can see our running total of charges in the top right corner of the card. We can see our card on file, and we can edit our billing profile by selecting the button. Here we have our primary payment method, which is our card on file. We can replace that card on file if we wish to do so by selecting the three buttons on the right, or we can add a secondary payment in case that our primary card did not successfully process the charge. We can select Add Payment and set up an additional payment method with PayPal. Our address for our billing is listed as our store address, which is in our store details, and currency method is the currency that's also in our store details, which for us is the US dollar. Billing cycle goes in a 30-day period, but we're on a billing threshold of $200. That means that if we have third-party apps that are integrated and where we have charges that are incurred, our card will be charged once we hit the $200 threshold, even if it's outside of our regular billing cycle. To manage your subscriptions, select View All Subscriptions, and that will navigate you to another page where you can see what you have activated, what it costs, and you can manage them from there. This will be covered in another video.